好靚。呢度係咩啊 ？Fairmont Château 啊，係咪 Château？Fairmont Hotel。Lake Louise Fairmont Hotel，好靚啊！呢個係個 ，this is a lobby 啊。So grand. That is the lobby, and on the other lounge we got Kubuk boutique. Stair leads to downstairs somewhere. Local and a beautiful restaurant with a beautiful view. The lake is right outside. We focus on the lake. Oh, there it is. Focus back in it. Beautiful restaurant and a rock store. Hey, here we are at the Fairmont Château Lake Louise Hotel. It's beautiful. It's a beautiful place. So our room is here. This is the front door. 505 is the lake view. So let's go inside. Ooh, alright, hangers. We already here, so we put some stuff. Start charging everything. And, oh, look at that! Look at that! Look at the view. We got 2 bedrooms. Settle in. We sanitize the bed. That's why the cover's open. It's not messy, but because that's what we gotta do. We gotta sanitize everything, just for safe. Reasons, lights, phone, no USB charger. My other old Days Inn hotel has USB charging and extended cord for our electronics. Basic accommodation for our current life, but they don't have that. So I guess they're keeping the traditional style, like the fan. Let's check out the view. That's number 1. Alright, so let's balcony, lake view, expensive room. Okay, is that how we open it? Oh, pole, yes. Look at that. This is the view of the hotel. I think they kind of own it. The lake, you can see people are still boating there. 1 hour will be $95. Half an hour will be $85. I guess most people would pay $10 extra for the extra half an hour. Wow, look at that. You hear that sound? It's from the little boys and girls down there. Look at that. The little things, I don't know what it's called. You might find out. Let me know. They dig holes. I'm not sure you can see them. There are a lot of them. So, oh, our neighbors. It's pretty much like only a few rooms with balcony like this. The rest probably have a window. So let's continue our room tour. Let's close the door. Small window, chairs, basic stuff. It's pretty basic. And we have a phone, cord, wireless phone, light, blah blah blah. And the AC that says this room is not air conditioned. The controller only adjusts the heat from the radiator. Okay, so that means we pay a lot for no AC. There must be a good reason for that. Hopefully, let's look at this drawer here. We got a universal adapter as for travelers outside the country. And here we got a. Let's see what we have here. Below the TV, we got a coffee machine. Yeah, coffee machine. Some complimentary, I hope. no price tag. So coffee, I don't drink coffee. We got hot water, 2 glasses, a secret compartment. What else? Now empty compartment, and the ice bucket. Also, oh, the refrigerator, the stuff we put in there, chocolate and the drink. It's not cold, probably not turned on. I'll find out how to turn on. And some cream, and that's it. Nothing in there. I mean, don't even put anything in there. We don't want to pay extra stuff for a bottle of water anyways. Let's see, and on next to the door, beside the bed, we have a big closet. So closet, let's see. Yeah, we got a safe, and that's me. Bye-bye. That's the safe. Ooh. Oh, sleepers, nice. I like that. Iron, normally we don't need that. We're not going to any meetings or shows. And the gowns. And let's close this. And the washroom. And finally, the washroom. That's it. Basic stuff. Stand-up shower. Me again. Yeah, that's it. Mirror with something stuff, light, guess. So we got hair dryer. What's this? Okay, I don't know what's the use for this, but some people do. Maybe the girls for their makeups. Kleenex. This is mine. Don't think about that. That's mine. And mouthwash. 2 glasses for cleaning, brushing the teeth, and body lotion, conditioner, shampoo, the basic stuff, shower gel, and oh, we got the shower cap, face towel, soap, and that's it. Nothing more and nothing less. A basic room, room. We're just paying for the view and the location, and that's it. Thank you for watching a short video. Any question, please ask. Oh yeah, free Wi-Fi. Parking is expensive. Yeah, that's it. Thank you.